Gentlemen, good evening.
Nice to meet you.
Joe, how are you? Chris,
Gordon.
Are you well?
Very well, thank you.
And Josh.
Gordon.
And Stuart.
Very well, thank you, Gordon.
So, Birmingham's finest.
We are.
We're nice.
Yes, apparently.
The outskirts of Birmingham.
Are you being snobby now?
Yeah.
You're here because you're talented cooks. Yeah. Tonight's going to be completely different to how you'd run a fucking dinner party at home. Yeah?
I can imagine.
Let's get started then, yes?
Yes, yeah.
Cool. Let's go. OK, gentlemen, on order, yes? First ticket of the night. For me, the first ticket is the most important. If we get this one right, the whole night moves forward.
Yes, chef.
Start off like a bunch of fucking donkeys. It's going to be a long night, yes?
Yes, chef.
Wakey, wakey, yes? On order, 4 covers table 10, 4 artichoke tart, 4 breast of duck, and 4 chocolate mousse.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Tonight's starters a simple onion tart on a puff pastry base, served with soft and creamy quail's eggs.
So, onion puree covers 90% of the base, yes?
Yeah.
These asparagus have been lightly blanched in boiling water, yes?
Yeah.
Lightly cooked, yes?
Yes, sir.
Artichokes, asparagus, yeah? This is not that difficult, is it?
No, chef.
3 or 4 tomatoes. Make the tart look fruitful.
Yes,
Parmesan.
chef. Yes, chef.
The nice thing about this tart is you can do it any time of the year with different kind of vegetables from the season. Right, don't put them in the oven yet.
OK.
First of all, get 8 quail's eggs in a pan. Don't get them too hot, otherwise the eggs start blistering. OK? Right. Once all your quail eggs are in there, put your tarts in the oven. Right, Stuart?
Yes, chef.
Get those fucking chipolata fingers working, let's go. Right, guys, you should start getting some tarts in the oven by now, yes?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Come on.
Come on, boys. Yours in pot, yeah?
Stu, the quail egg is the easiest thing to do. You're here because you're a good cook. You can't even fry a fucking egg. Come on.
In here, mate.
Chef.
Service, please. How much vinegar you put on there?
Just a drizzle.
Stu, why'd you do that? Look.
Sorry, chef.
Look. I mean, I'm not being funny, but look.
There's a touch on that.
I mean, how much vinegar you put on there?
Yes, chef.
Huh? Look, just touch your finger on that fucking thing now. What?
Soaking.
Yeah, it's soaking wet. Huh? It's fucking wetter than you. Start again.
Yes, chef.
Yep. Fucking hell. Right, Joe.
Yes,
Are they ready, yes?
Yes, chef.
Yes? Where's the chives?
I thought it was on the plate. Sorry, chef.
Come on, guys. That's enough. Just look, just a dribble, yeah?
Yes,
the idea is a nice crispy base, yeah?
Yes,
Nothing soggy. That's it. A dribble.
Yes,
Nothing more than that. Let's go. We don't serve soggy pastry, do we?
No, chef.
Service, please. Thank you. OK, one more table coming in. Come on, guys, please.
Go and eat some cows.
Got to make sure the five's coming here in 1 minute.
There's no more tarts.
Chris.
Yes, chef.
Come here a minute. Stuart as well, yeah? Because you two have, like, fucking gone off the ball a little bit. Just touch that, will you? Come on. There. And you, come on, hurry up, touch it. Stone fucking cold.
Yes, chef.
I mean,
Yes, chef.
fridge cold. Can we get them in the oven and get them warm, please?
Yes, chef.
Come on.
Yes,
Did they
chef.
go in the oven?
Yes, they did, chef.
You're lying, aren't you?
Yes, I am, chef.
You are. Why'd you find it funny when you're lying?
I forgot, chef. Sorry.
Hey. Oh, no. Hey. What? Yeah, what? Well, OK, then what's what? Soft,
Sorry, chef, that's
creamy fucking yolks, and I've got another omelette again.
Okay, well, chef, there's 4 there that are perfect.
Hey, guys, come. Hey, listen, come here a minute. Just stop what you're doing. Hey, 2 seconds. All of you, come here a minute. Come here. How are you going to feel at the end of the night if I just bang this shit out? You're arguing with me with a flat fucking pile of shit. I don't want to argue with you guys. I just want to get it right to get it out.
Yes, chef.
So every time I say something, you're all a fucking bunch of chippy little fuckers that want to tell me that how good you are. Because right now I think you're shit.
Yes, chef.
Service. Go. Go, please. Last table, yes? Clear down, yes? Fucking hell.
Gordon,
OK. What's the results?
24 people are not paying for the
Why
start.
not?
A few different reasons. One of them is the base is solid. Another one is it's too soggy as well.
Soggy?
Yeah, with the vinegar, you know, too much vinegar.
So solid and soggy?
Yeah.
I can understand it being soggy because they fucking sit too long, OK? But solid, it could be if they overcook them, but they flash them through the oven for 30 seconds. Yeah. How long will you put them in the oven for?
30 seconds.
Anyone put them in there longer than that?
No, chef. No, chef.
No? Or you forgot to put them in at one stage. If it's hard and they can't cut through it, that's either it's been in the oven too long or, yeah, they're stone cold.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
So 24 customers don't want to pay for their starter.
Yeah, they're not paying at all.
That's just under half the dining room.
Yeah, I know. It's bad.
So they like duck.
Let's hope they like duck. I think we're fucked.
Okay, chef.
Christ almighty. Half the dining room. That's the fucking joke.